Before most alarms ring, someone's already on their way, heading toward a day filled with decisions, responsibilities, and people depending on them. The Coke goes on, the mask follows, the shift begins, but no one sees what they've carried in, mentally or emotionally. They explain, comfort, and treat. Their focus is sharp, but they're human too, absorbing every word, every emotion, every doubt. While they're there for everyone else, their own moments pass quietly. Unread messages, postponed plans, voices they miss hearing. Chances to pause are few, and rest is often compromised. Still, they continue to serve with consistency and dedication. Even in the most difficult moments, they remain a steady presence, offering strength, compassion, and quiet support. Long after the words have been spoken, they give strength all day, but they need it too sometimes in quiet ways, from those who understand. Behind every diagnosis, every surgery, every kind word at a tough time is a person who needs support, space, and care too. Let's not wait for a crisis to acknowledge our doctors. This National Doctors Day, let us honor their commitment by caring for those who care for us.